Hello and welcome. Get in the groove. 30 rockin' questions ahead. Not subscribed yet? Join our community today to access new quizzes every week, engaging educational content, and a fun learning experience. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. What are hailstones made of? Ice, rock, sand. The correct answer is ice. Here's an interesting fact. Hailstones are balls of ice that form in thunderstorms. In which season are hailstorms most common? Winter, spring, autumn. The correct answer is spring. Here's an interesting fact. Hailstorms often occur during spring when storms are more frequent. What size can hailstones grow up to? Golf ball, baseball, softball. The correct answer is softball. Here's an interesting fact. The largest recorded hailstone was the size of a softball. What cloud type produces hailstones? Cirrus, cumulonimbus, stratus. The correct answer is cumulonimbus. Here's an interesting fact. Cumulonimbus clouds are tall thunderstorm clouds. What causes hailstones to grow? Wind currents, sunlight, low pressure. The correct answer is wind currents. Here's an interesting fact. Updrafts in storms lift hailstones, causing layers of ice to form. Which country experiences the most hailstorms? India, United States, Australia. The correct answer is United States. Here's an interesting fact. The Great Plains in the US is called Hail Alley. How does hail form in a cloud? By melting snow, by freezing water droplets, by evaporating rain. The correct answer is by freezing water droplets. Here's an interesting fact. Hail forms when supercooled water droplets freeze. What is the texture of a hailstone? Smooth, rough, layered. The correct answer is layered. Here's an interesting fact. Hailstones have layers of ice from multiple trips up and down a cloud. What is the record heaviest hailstone ever recorded? 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms. The correct answer is 1 kilogram. Here's an interesting fact. The heaviest hailstone weighed over 1 kilogram and fell in Bangladesh. What is the speed of falling hailstones? 10 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour, 100 miles per hour. The correct answer is 100 miles per hour. Here's an interesting fact: large hailstones can fall at speeds over 100 miles per hour. What do we call an area prone to frequent hailstorms? Hail zone, hail alley, hail path. The correct answer is hail alley. Here's an interesting fact: hail alley is located in parts of the US like Colorado and Kansas. Which part of the world rarely experiences hailstorms? Tropics, deserts, poles. The correct answer is poles. Here's an interesting fact: hail requires warm air rising, which is rare near the poles. What is the smallest size of hailstones? Pebble-sized, raindrop-sized, marble-sized. The correct answer is marble-sized. Here's an interesting fact: hailstones can be as small as marbles. What happens to hailstones if they stay in the cloud longer? They shrink. They grow larger. They evaporate. The correct answer is they grow larger. Here's an interesting fact: each trip through the cloud adds layers of ice to hailstones. What color are hailstones? White, clear, both. The correct answer is both. Here's an interesting fact: hailstones can be clear or cloudy depending on how they form. Which natural disaster can accompany hailstorms? Tornadoes, earthquakes, floods. The correct answer is tornadoes. Here's an interesting fact: hailstorms often occur with tornadoes during severe weather. What is a hail swath? A path of fallen hail. A cloud type. A weather pattern. The correct answer is a path of fallen hail. Here's an interesting fact: a hail swath marks where hail has fallen during a storm. How long do hailstones usually last on the ground? Minutes, hours, days. The correct answer is hours. Here's an interesting fact: hailstones typically melt within hours depending on temperature. How is hail measured? Diameter, volume, weight. The correct answer is diameter. Here's an interesting fact: hail is typically measured by its diameter in inches or centimeters. What size is considered severe hail? 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches. The correct answer is 1 inch. Here's an interesting fact. Hail with a diameter of 1 inch or more is classified as severe. What type of insurance covers hail damage? Health insurance, property insurance, life insurance. The correct answer is property insurance. Here's an interesting fact. Property insurance often covers damage caused by hailstorms. What protects vehicles from hail damage? Tarp, hail net, garage. The correct answer is garage. Here's an interesting fact. Keeping vehicles in a garage is the best way to avoid hail damage. Which animal was once injured by falling hailstones? Cows, sheep, horses. The correct answer is sheep. Here's an interesting fact. In 1888, hail killed hundreds of sheep in India. Which state in the US gets the most hail? Texas, Colorado, Oklahoma. The correct answer is Texas. Here's an interesting fact. Texas experiences the highest number of hailstorms annually. What is the difference between hail and sleet? Size, shape, formation process. The correct answer is formation process. Here's an interesting fact. Hail forms in thunderstorms while sleet forms in winter storms. How do farmers protect crops from hail? Sprinklers, hail nets, shields. The correct answer is hail nets. Here's an interesting fact. Hail nets are used to prevent damage to crops from hailstorms. What is the main danger of hailstorms? Flooding, flying ice, strong winds. The correct answer is flying ice. Here's an interesting fact. Hailstones can cause injuries and property damage due to their impact. What time of day are hailstorms most likely to occur? Morning, afternoon, night. The correct answer is afternoon. Here's an interesting fact. Hailstorms often happen in the late afternoon when the ground is warmest. How do scientists study hail? Satellites, hail pads, thermometers. The correct answer is hail pads. Here's an interesting fact. Hail pads are foam boards used to measure the size of hailstones. What type of weather radar detects hail? Infrared radar, Doppler radar, thermal radar. The correct answer is Doppler radar. Here's an interesting fact: Doppler radar can identify hail within storm clouds. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.